Good morning, welcome to another daily vlog. I'm celebrating 4th of July weekend here at the lake house with my family, but Noah is actually taking over the vlog today, so let's see what he's up to.
What's up guys? It's Tuesday, so we're gonna do a tutorial. If you use Final Cut Pro, then watch this right now. I'm gonna show you exactly how I do the speed ramps, which look something like this. So pretty much it's where your clip comes in really fast and it slows down and then it zooms back out. Zoom. So the first thing you want to do is jump into a new project in Final Cut Pro. Okay, so we're in a new project here. I named it Tutorial. So here's some clips from the other day when we did a giant water slide. Here's a clip of my buddy Dominic. Here he does a front flip onto the slip and slide. All right, so we're gonna do a speed ramp of this. So let's trim it up to where we want to start it. Okay, let's start it here. No, let's start it, yeah, right here when he's like in motion. So really you want to find kind of like an action clip that kind of has like a beginning, a middle, something happening where you want it to be in slow-mo, and then a kind of a quick ending. So let's end it there. All right. So let's kill the audio on that and we'll throw in a little track here. Okay, so I dragged this audio clip in here and I'll show you how to edit the audio clip in a minute. Okay, but let's look at this clip here. Okay, so we got motion coming in right here, and wherever you're gonna want the clip to start going in slow-mo is where you're gonna stop the cursor here. So let's say right about here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit Shift B, and that's gonna perform a speed cut where you can manipulate the time mapping inside the clip. And then you're gonna drag your cursor a little bit further where you want the clip to speed back up. Let's say here. And you're gonna hit Shift B again. All right, now you're gonna go in the middle clip where you want it slow. Jump in there, hit slow. I want it really slow, so 25%. A good tip when you're shooting things that you want to be in slow-mo, shoot at 120 frames per second, because when you're shooting at a higher frame rate, that is more space or more frames for the clip to slow down, and it just looks a lot smoother. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust this audio right here. If you can see, I put a marker right here where the audio drops, like in the song. And if you don't know how to put a marker down, you just select your cursor right here and you just hit the M button and that puts a marker. But I'm gonna delete this one because that's not where the song drops. And I'm just gonna try to put this marker right here where it slows down. Okay, and just do a little fade in because it's just gonna be a little clip. All right, so basically you have normal speed, slow motion, and then normal back out. And this is what it's gonna look like. And then that looks pretty good for the first part, but we want it to go a little bit faster out. So let's say 400%. We'll let that render. All right, so now that we have it rendered, this is what it's gonna look like at 400% exiting the clip. So this is pretty much how you do a speed ramp in Final Cut Pro. You can manipulate this any way you want to make your edit look super sick. We're gonna be doing tutorials once a week. Cooper's gonna be using Premiere Pro when he does his tutorials, so if you have a question you wanna ask about Premiere Pro, leave it in the comments below. If you have a question about Final Cut Pro, leave it in the comments below and we can do a tutorial on that. So we'll see you guys tomorrow with a new vlog.